a joint and think to yourself, what did I do? Was that too strong? Was it not strong enough? Then I sit back and I think about the catnip that I was just sniffing. I think, yep, this was just right. Man, do I feel good. Now, if only my Kiki food would come to me, that would be the shits. Just when everybody know I'm too high as a cat when my eyes are all squeaky, chinky like that. Just all cooked. Hanging there. Too much Kiki weed. My little kitty grove. Growing kitty cat hops. Mr. Biggles. By the way, folks, my name's Mr. Bigglesworth. I thought y'all would like to know that I'm just a Kiki in these here local parts. Now remember, watch Best Buds Network. Don't you forget.